How to generate traffic using Delicious. The best way to get Delicious links and increase your website traffic is by actively participating in the Delicious site and by sharing, tagging, and managing its bookmarks. Be the first person and use descriptive tags and anchor text to bookmark your site on Delicious so that you can control the anchor text keyword that is associated with the link. Find as many friends from the Delicious network as you can so that you can get them to bookmark your site and thus help increase your web traffic. Once your link has many people bookmarking it, Delicious automatically puts up an Everyone's Bookmarks For page for the link, which when clicked prominently displays your website link on top. Make sure you have original and quality content on your site that will attract users and make them tag it. By establishing relationships and building a reputation as an active bookmarker that has quality bookmarks in your Delicious network, there's a high chance of other users adding you to their network and thus increasing your web traffic. By downloading and installing the Delicious toolbar to your personal browser, you can use it whenever you come across a site worth sharing, tagging, or bookmarking when you surf the web. Make sure you display your bookmarks in your blog using Delicious widgets found in the blogging software so that your bookmarks are automatically shown on the blog sidebar. Place your Delicious links in the email messages you send to recipients of your email marketing campaigns. With the help of third-party tools like Tweetious, you can automatically share your Delicious bookmarks with other social media sites like Facebook. Sharing your Delicious bookmarks out of your Delicious system helps in generating more traffic to your site and increasing your website's online exposure. With the help of these tips, you will soon experience the traffic-generating potential of the great social bookmarking tool, Delicious.